Angela Hugghins. I'm the owner and lead esthetician at Monarch Brow Facial Studio. With over 26 years of experience as an esthetician and 15,000 facials performed, I can guarantee you're in good hands when you come to Monarch Brow Facial Studio. Something that sets Monarch apart is that we custom tailor services to your unique skincare needs. During our consultation, we develop a plan to support your skin's ongoing health. I approach skincare from a minimalist perspective. Any service and any protocol that I design for you is going to be something that you can actually do at home. We offer a range of services from facial waxing to more luxurious services like facials and brow tattooing. One of the unique services I offer here is the Geneo Glow 2 Oxygenation Protocol Facial. The Glow 2 Facial works by triggering your body's natural response to carbon dioxide, which sends oxygen up to the surface of your skin. I pair that with lymphatic drainage massage and fascia release, which reduces puffiness, lifts, and improves circulation. This translates to brighter, more refreshed skin instantly. I'm also known for my brow tattooing work. I got into that later in my career because I saw a lot of my clients dealing with thinning brows, whether that was from aging or after chemotherapy. With my fine arts background, I create brows that are soft, realistic, and beautiful, like small works of art. What's most meaningful to me about my work is creating space where people feel truly cared for and seen. Whether that's creating space for a facial or healing, or just solving a skincare issue that they've been dealing with for a while. That's the heart of this work. Monarch Brow Facial Studio is a place to come relax, rejuvenate, and learn how to take care of your skin.